Hi everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to navigate your music course. So the first thing you're going to need to do if you're a new student is you're going to need to make sure that you go back in your lesson plan and you're going to find this lesson, Unit 1, Lesson 1. This may have been skipped for you, but you're not going to be able to move on with the music course without completing this lesson first. So when you open up this lesson, it brings you to an introductory video. Then you need to watch this video in order to see how the class is going to run. After you have watched the video and you click to go into the new class, the music reference guide, it'll show you what the class is going to look like. It'll show you how to use the program and things like that. So then what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to click to the next part, and then you're going to need to do the Music Studio button. So the Music Studio button is going to open for you, and then what you're going to need to do is click on this button right here that says Music Studio Student Edition. So once you are here, it will show you this lesson right here. So you'll go to this lesson, and then it'll bring up the lesson for you right here. Make sure, this is a big thing about this, that your pop-up blockers are turned off so that you can access all of the information from the music. You're not going to be able to hear the songs if you don't make sure that your pop-up blockers are turned off. So once you have made sure that that's okay, then you can go through the lesson, and it'll let you play some music and things like that, and you'll have a bunch of different things that you can go through. But it's important to make sure that you complete this lesson first before moving on to your other lessons in the course. Once you have completed this first lesson, then you can go back and you can skip to where the class currently is. But this is the lesson that you have to complete before being able to move on for the rest of the classes. So that's how you'll be able to navigate the music course. Thanks, guys. Bye.